We all get lots and lots of t-shirts from the events we attend and other things we participate in, and these are great. But every once in a while, would you like something a little different? Say something with a lower neckline, more cap-like sleeves, and maybe a little bit shorter hemline. I'm going to show you how to get this. And it's very simple. All you need is a pair of scissors. You begin by folding your t-shirt in half, matching up your seams, your shoulder seams. And then we're going to begin to cut with our sharp scissors just below the seam line on the neckline. Instead of cutting both pieces at once, I decide just to cut out the neckline just like this. And now let's go to the hemline. Again, right above the seams, you're going to cut in a very straight line, as straight as you can get it. Now let's attack the sleeves. Okay, one side of the sleeve right above the seam line one more time. Other side, match your sleeve as best you can along the seam lines and then cut. And this is the finished product. You can even turn it around because there's no tag, there's no front and back now.